So what are we going to be making today, hon?
Today we are showing how to make Panchamrit for the upcoming Hindu festival, Shivratri. Of course, we are making it vegan.
So even if you're not celebrating Shivratri or other Hindu festivals, this is just a great dessert that you can make in general. And it's also going to teach you a really unique way to make vegan yogurt from scratch.
Yeah, if you have no starter and no probiotic.
My wife did find a very interesting way to make a vegan yogurt from scratch. It's essentially a 2-ingredient yogurt that doesn't need straining and a bunch of other work, and it doesn't need a bacteria starter either, so you don't have to go to the store and find that. And this is also going to be more in line with fasting traditions in India as well. And so what is our secret ingredient?
So our secret ingredient is this chili pepper.
Use of green chilies can start the fermentation process for yogurt. This will let you get the process started without the need of bacteria starter. We are going to start by soaking our cashews and almonds. As noted, we are trying a cashew yogurt and an almond yogurt. We'll do the cashew first. I'm using 2-to-3 ratio of nuts to water. In the blender, I'm adding 1/2 cup of soaked cashews and 3/4 cup of water. I blended for about 2 minutes or until it reached a smooth consistency. For the almonds, there's one extra step to get this yogurt creamy, which is to peel the almonds. You don't need to do this, but it will help to get a nice creamy color and improve the taste. I'm going to separate the stem from the base of the chilies. I'm also going to make a small cut at the base before adding it. The pepper are here to just get the fermentation started. Don't worry, we have tested it and they will not add to the flavor or make it spicy. Make sure the chilies are not refrigerated and make sure to remove the stems and make a cut at the bottom right when you are adding them to the base. This step is important. At this point, I have waited almost 16 hours, but had a bit of problem. The cashew yogurt came out perfect, but the almond fermented a lot quicker than I thought. At this time, I'm able to restart with the almond with less time and one less chili pepper. I just let the second batch go for 12 hours and it came out perfect. For the Panchamrit, we do have one more ingredient to prepare, which is a vegan milk. I'm making a cashew milk and an almond milk, so we can try different combination. I'm essentially just blending with water at a ratio of 1 part nut to 4 parts water for both of them. After that, I'm passing it through a simple tree strainer. Now it's a time for assembly.
So we're making this with 5 things, right?
5 base ingredients, and then we can use the other things for garnishing. So we are using 1/2 cup of almond yogurt. So a 1/2 cup almond yogurt. 1 cup milk. Then we are using just 1 tablespoon of sugar because I used sugar in the milk. Then this is gangajal, which we got from India, so I'm adding that. Okay, so I'm adding the basil. So this is the Panchamrit, the base Panchamrit.
Get the stuff that's done out of here. So these are makhanas, also called foxnuts.
Okay.
And then these are called what?
Charolis.
Okay.
And you would want to let it sit for a little bit.
Okay, so CJ, you can have a little bit first. So this is our final taste test.
That's good. Really good, actually.
Everything mixed together fine. Yeah, honey, go ahead.
Yeah.
It's actually very nice.
Yeah.
It was really good. It definitely tastes like a tanginess of the yogurt.
Yeah, so both the yogurt and the blended milks we did came out just perfect, right? They were really, really good. The toppings are very nice in this as well. So it's just a nice sweet dessert.
Exactly. And you can add more. The one thing which I don't taste too much in here is the amount of sugar. So I would advise people if they have a really sweet tooth to add more sugar in it.
I'm happy with the sweetness on this. So your level is going to vary.
Exactly.
But definitely the yogurt really did turn out perfect. The vegan milk turned out perfect. But yeah, we're really happy with the results for this, and definitely try making this either for Shivratri or just when you're looking for a different kind.
Oh, like and subscribe.